Oh, no, no, don't leave me. Oh, she left me. Hey there, fellow wanderers. This is Haight's Wanderings, and that's the pitter-patter of my little puppy. So this is a really cool video for you guys. We are doing the giveaway right here. The giveaway's been going on for about 2.5 months now. I just hit 1,000 subscribers, and I am so happy about that. First, we're gonna do the giveaway, and then I have a couple of, I don't know, I have a couple things to say. I have a couple of people to say thank you to, and a couple of things to talk about for the upcoming new season of my channel. So, without further ado, let us pick the comments. How I'm gonna do this is I have my YouTube page pulled up. I took the link. I used a YouTube random comment picker, and it filters unique users, so people only had one chance to be the picked comment. And I am going to click start, and it's going to randomly choose one of them. And I think, you know what? I think we're going to go with the Whopper Plopper first. Again, I love this lure. Caught so many bass, pike, muskie on this guy right here. I actually caught a muskie this year on my first cast of this lure. I think my first cast of the summer using this, I had a muskie. Really cool. So, I'm going to turn this on. Make sure you can actually see. And here we go. Here goes. This is for the Whopper Plopper. Alright, this is Compass Angler. He said his goals are first walleye, catch a 5-pound largemouth bass, topwater pike, 3-pound smallmouth, first tiger muskie. Year's not over yet, but getting pretty cold around Colorado. Great lures, kill it on both, and appreciate the giveaway. Great push to 1K subs. Alright, so, Compass Angler, we got this coming for you. This is an awesome largemouth and pike lure. I'm sure it's going to do great for you, so congratulations. Now, we're going to give away the rat lure. This is my favorite lure that I've ever used. Just love it. Favorite coloration right here. So we're going to do one more. Here goes. We are picking another winner right now. And this is Hammerhead Cooking. My goal for this year was to catch more and larger bass. While in the UP, I was able to do both with a new kayak purchase and using the BBZ-1 rat lure. Another goal for me was to help my 77-year-old mom become a better fisherman and catch some bigger fish, which I was able to do. I gave her a Bass Pro topwater minnow, and she was able to catch her personal best largemouth from our dock on Long Lake. My goal for next year is to take my 3-year-old grandson fishing for the first time and for him to catch fish. There we go. So, Hammerhead Cooking has actually been a sub for, I don't know, you've been a sub on my channel for probably 2 years now, so this is so cool that you are picking this up. I know you've used these BBZ-1 rats in the past, and I hope this one's a great addition to your collection there. So, how this is going to work is I'm going to need you guys to, Compass Angler and Hammerhead Cooking, I'm going to need you guys to go to my my page. That's haightswanderings.com. Click Contact Me and send me an email, and we will go from there, and I'll get you guys' addresses and we'll get these sent out to you. Thank you so much, and thank you to everybody that has gone ahead and joined in this this giveaway. I was so excited to hit 1,000 subscribers. Now, if you're only here for the giveaway, you can go now, catch, release, wander. I'll see you guys in the next video. But if you have a minute, I have a couple things I want to say. So this was always my goal, to hit 1,000 subscribers, and I wrote down a couple of statistics here that I thought were interesting. So my first video that I put up was April 24th of 2016, and I hit 1,000 subscribers on the 27th of November of 2018. So 2 days ago, 3 days ago, something like that. Now, that was 948 days that I had my YouTube account. That's 2 years, 7 months, 4 days, or 22,752 hours. Pretty crazy. So far this year, I have fished, because I keep track of all these things, I fished 389 hours so far this year. I fished 125 different days, and I fished in 100 different unique locations. I'm always trying to fish new spots. I don't like fishing in the same locations if I can avoid it, because I don't want to overfish anything, so I'm always going new places. So far this year, I caught 351 smallmouth, 33 muskie, 5 tiger muskies, so 38 total. And a big goal for me was 2 tarpon that I caught on the fly. So those are my statistics right there. Other things that I wanted to say, just a big thank you to all my subscribers. You know, some of you guys have been subbed for over 2 years, and you know, I'm not a big channel. I just hit 1,000, but I'm a really small channel in comparison to most fishers, that is fishing YouTubers. And I do read through every comment, I respond to every comment, and I really just enjoy talking with people about fishing. And so, you know, keep it up, comment on my videos, watch my videos, and I hope you are enjoying them. I try to keep the content enjoyable, natural, and just fun. One last thing. I did enter the flat phone generation. Big news, my wife and I are pregnant, and we have a child coming in 2 more months, 3 more months, something like that. Really soon we're gonna have a baby girl, and my wife decided that I needed to join the real world and have a phone that actually worked. So she went ahead and got me this flat phone. And what was I going with that? Yes, I now have Instagram. So if you want to follow me on Instagram, that'd be cool. You know, post pictures on there. Most of the pictures that I'm posting are from the summer and before that, because right now I am not fishing. I think it's 18 degrees outside right now. But that being said, thanks again for everything. My next goal is, I don't know, 5,000 subscribers? 10,000 subscribers? That seems a little bit ambitious. Let's say my next goal is to have a productive fishing season in 2019, and to hopefully teach my baby girl how to fish. I'm going to teach her how to fish with a fly rod and conventional gear, and who knows, maybe in a couple of years we'll get her on this channel. Alright, thank you guys. This is Haight's Wanderings. As always, catch... Nope, let's do that again. This is Haight's Wanderings. As always, catch, release, wander. I'll see you guys in the next one. Alright, hey there, one last thing. I didn't want to forget to say something specifically to my students. I know you guys and girls have been so excited about this giveaway and asking me every single day, was I yet at 1,000 subscribers? And you know, you were hoping for
the rat lure, and the whopper plopper. Unfortunately, Lady Luck was not on your side today. But that being said, don't worry. I'm trying to think up something cool, and we'll see what happens. Maybe I got something up my sleeve for you guys. So we'll see what happens.